Oh,
Tinkle,
stop
tinkle,
it.
tinkle, tinkle.
Hi, y'all.
Hey,
Gladys
y'all.
here.
Anson. Ivey Ford and Homestead.
So, babe,
So, babe.
what are you thankful for?
Oh, what am I thankful for? Let me see. So, we're here on the Simple Life Reclaimed Thankful Challenge, day 10. And I am actually thankful for having a good insurance company. Because, you know what? I finally get to get my truck fixed. She probably has to help me. I still have to pay a little bit out of my pocket.
Yeah.
We don't know what the final cost is going to be. But the insurance company that I have is working with me to get the Ford fixed. Almost a year later. This December.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, because he thought he can do it himself.
Thought I could do it myself.
So, we waited.
With a little bit of help. We did have some help.
Mm-hmm.
But it finally got to the point where I know that I cannot do it.
It was too much.
And I'm putting that out there. I know that I cannot do it. I know I do not have the tools to do it. And I needed help professionally. So it's actually going to a diesel performance shop. Mm-hmm. They are going to replace the turbos. They're going to replace all the things that needs to be replaced to get it up and running again.
Yeah. And
my insurance company is helping me with the cost.
Yeah.
Because I made a claim. Even though it's almost a year later, they were still more than willing to work with me. Everything was awesome. Everything was online. A couple phone calls, and is less than 2 weeks? I had to check. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. I know it's not enough, but it's still, it does. It definitely helps.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
Every little bit. Yeah.
What are you thankful for, baby?
Hot showers. I just took a long one. He hasn't taken a shower yet.
No, I haven't taken a shower yet. I actually just got done with the Ridgelife. Mr. Tim over there, he does his Tuesdays, helps out the community. And it's very rare that I get a chance to stay in the entire time. And I definitely thank you, Tim, for giving us a shout out and featuring our channel tonight. So it's definitely a big help. I love that our community helps out community as well. That's one thing that we've already talked about that, back in some of our other thankful videos. But we are always thankful for.
We have a lot of things to be
community.
thankful.
Yeah,
a lot of things. There's just so many things that I don't think 30 days or a month can cover.
I mean, even this challenge itself, right?
Yes.
Simple Life Claimed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wearing a shirt.
It's squirrel. Like every day you're like, what are you thankful for? What are you thankful for? There's so many things that it's just like.
Oh, yeah. So many.
You just can't compile them. And yeah.
We love so many people.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. I am thankful for hot showers, though. I really am thankful for hot showers. I mean, there was a point in our lives where we would go visit grandma or something and have to boil water and shower that way. So it makes you thankful to have actually hot water that you don't have to boil. And, same thing with having a washer.
Yeah.
Yeah, a washer. Same thing. I told him I would never go back, even though whenever we go antiquing, he'll show me the board. Yeah. Oh my God, I want to strangle.
The old school laundry, right? You're sitting there in a wash tub going.
He says, "You want one?" And I told him,
"No, she's been there, done that. Don't want to do it again."
No, I don't want to do that again.
Me personally, I would love to live off grid,
but you better give me my washer.
No, I think that eventually when we do, because for those of you that have been following us, you know that we do plan on moving to Arkansas. We do plan on getting land in Arkansas.
Someday.
It's just a process, right? It's the soonest that we can buy our property out there, we definitely are going to buy our property out there, and it will be off grid for the most part, we do plan when we live there to be on grid. And then, but being prepared to be off grid if needed.
Yeah.
Because we have a family, right? We have a child with special needs, and it's just one of those things. You know, she's done the whole thing growing up. You know, Mexico living, South Texas living.
Yep.
You know, of not having those things growing up, and I always did, even though you know there was times that it was just me and my mom's, right? You know, we might have struggled here or there, but we've always had power. We always had stuff. So
we've had power too. There's just sometimes washers would break or anything like that, and you just have to go back to that. Or during winter time, imagine you have to wash by hand and then hang it up, and then by the time you take those jeans off the line, then you can just stand them up. But yeah, you know what? They're great experiences.
They are. It kind of goes back into some of our other videos, which if you want to go back and watch, you know, with life experiences and things like that.
Yeah.
But we need to go ahead and wrap this one up so it's not too long. And do you want to do a shout out today, baby?
Yes, to B&B Forge.
All right. Yeah, that actually goes along with our truck.
Yes, because thank you.
Whenever we first broke down, him and one of his friends actually went and picked up our truck off the side of the road, towed it to his house, and it was there for what, 4 months?
A while.
5 months?
Yeah.
I spilled so much oil in your driveway. I'm so sorry, bud.
Yes.
But yeah, we definitely want to thank B&B Forge, and I'm actually going to throw out another one as well, and that's Adam over at Speargrass Forge. It's one of our Australian buddies. I mean, he's like a brother from another mother, and he does plan on coming to the States here hopefully soon. He's going to do a little tour, and our house had better be one of those stops. So, yeah. Well, I do know that he plans on visiting someone here close to us down in North Carolina, and maybe he'll get a shout out one of these days, but not today.
All right, that's all.
That's all we got.
That's a wrap for today.
Yeah, I think so.
You need to go shower now.
I do need a shower.
All right, guys.
All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Ciao. Now.